If you need to apply sealant between your bath and wall tiles, this is how it's done. Trim your nozzle at a 45 degree. Place it into the corner, start to pull the trigger and apply your silicone all the way along the full length of the bath, hopefully in one strike. Once this is done, take a smoothing tool, wipe the end of it with a silicone wipe and smooth across the surface. And the product I would recommend is 3C's HM Sealant. It's a premium anti-mold sanitary silicone. Perfect for these type of applications. Then continue the same method down the bath panel where it meets the tiles. Once it's dry, you can trim off any excessive sealant from the edge of the tiles. Then finish this off with the smoothing tool. Then again at the top of the bath behind your taps. And that's how easy it is to seal the tiles around the edge of your bath. And for more how-to videos, check us out on our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.